This is fairlady Turbo Z. This is the old model, and I'm going to install over here the Kenwood, the stereo MP3, and the two speakers Kenwood 320 watt with tweeters. So I will tell you how you can install. I bring two wires of speakers. As you can see, my brother, he connected already the speakers wire. Okay, so he took the ground from any bolt, and you can see any black connected with this bolt. Okay, so this is power, and yeah, this is power and what we call the power and battery positive. So he will connect with the fuse. The fuse replacement is over there. Okay, so my friend is installing the speakers. Okay, I bring two wires, so he will install one over there and one over this side, and this is my speakers, and I will tell you. Okay, नहीं वो फर्क इतनी आती है, इतनी है वो फर्क. Now he's going to connect the battery, ACC, and battery positive and ACC from the fuse, as I told you before, the fuse replacement. Speakers wiring, have to tape the factory hardness of speakers. It's compulsory. You have to remove the side panel, and then you can able to access the speaker. From the other side, my brother is closing the all panel, and this is our radio. Now we'll put inside the storage bag. We install the speakers, okay, and our stereo is also working. All working, each and everything. As I told you before, there's a fuse replacement over there. Okay, there's a fuse just connect with the battery positive and ACC, and the battery negative board from car, any board from car. Okay, and what else? And two speakers wire, and all done.